I don't think I qualify as a sneakerhead because just purely because I don't like read up enough about like the context of why the shoe is that shoe, right? For me, it's like this is an accessory to what I am trying to build. Sit, Jeet. Before Udgay, like things before like my big break, was all about the music, right? It was this hustle that I was on, and I was like, okay, cool. I gotta like, it was trial and error with music. And I was like, cool. I gotta keep doing something sticks, right? So with that mind frame, I don't think I had time to eat. Post Udgay is when like I switched my ways of working, right? I was like, cool. Now I'm gonna let music come to me. Because of that, I had like this space now in my head, right? So I had time, like this blueprint of like kurta and like the sneakers and all of this outfit. Now I had time to try these out. This is my latest purchase, right? And I'm just so excited to rock these because like this, you pay attention to this. You gotta pay attention to this. Like you stare at them and like, because the attention to detail to this is insane. And I have to like rock them with like what I'm like. It has to be so like plain to have these pop, right? But like yeah, dude, I love everything. The sole has so many variations. It's just a really good shoe. Yeah. Check this out. So I think for me, it's just lows just work for me, right? Lows work for me. I'm a short guy. Let's just talk about it, right? Cool. I'm not gonna rock highs and look like a child. It is what it is. Fuck the mids. Moving on. So these go so well with everything. These and the pandas, man, like just classic. Although let's not put them right next to the pandas because these are the this I will I think use for very special shows. Probably wait for NH7 later this year. And it's not just the sneaker, right? It's just like the entire outfit that like it showcases the mood that I'm like trying to present. It's like an entire emotion of like, okay, cool. Like I think for the longest time, my visual identity was to do with a lot of colors, right? Like even with my music and the videos, the lyric videos and the music videos, everything is a lot of colors, So I think like even with my clothing and stuff, like I'd play a lot. Like, colors would be like, okay, cool, I'm going ham. These I got in 2018, if I'm not wrong. And yeah, this was like a big expense at that point because, I'd obviously just started like earning and everything. And it was just like, yeah, but goddamn am I proud of that purchase. For all of my shows, I think the most worn sneaker for me will be Triple S. This is stuff you like. This is a collectible, right? And I treat it like that. I think that applies to these also. But like for me, it's more about okay, cool. This is something that I can like say that all right, cool. This stays on the shelf. So these were worn by my dad in my last weekender show, and they were dragged through the mud. Yes, sir. This, it's a gym wear now. This, I asked Tanmay to get this from the States. This was back in 2017. These are my first, like, very serious pair of, like, premium wear, if you have to call it that. The ugly ducklings. Yes, sir. The comfort wear, like, dude, this, like, is, like, walking in a cloud, for sure. But this whole chunky era, like, started with these, I guess, in a way. Or maybe, like, they followed it or whatever. But, like, yeah, I just love the design. It speaks to me, man. It speaks to me in a way that I don't see other shoes designs do that way. So yeah, these are my favorite. I hear music through his shoes. You know what I mean? And that's what really breaks the barrier for me, that you are able to express as freely and be yourself as much as you were like in one domain. Now you move to like another. Yeah, man, they're all tools, bro. Like to help me like really prepare this identity that I'm still building. Like I still don't know what my identity is entirely. It's building, and I see myself like rocking a dhoti 5 years from now. Just like being completely bald. It's crazy. I have like some wild ideas. As long as I am able to put like my thoughts and feelings into a song, that's like, it's like a diary entry, or it's like a conversation. You know what I mean? So how do you like replicate that in fashion or in like any other field, which is just the arts for that matter? And when I put on like a Yeezy shoe, right, it's that feeling that it evokes, right? And obviously the flex that comes with it, right? But what is that a product of, right? It's that design, right? It's that story, and then just knowing what all of that is what I think is the way I see. I have like the big bold point for you. I think my obsession is with myself. I'm a king narcissist. Okay, that's what it is. That's what I feel that's one of the things, right? Rahul keeps talking about this when he's like talking to like aspiring musicians and stuff, and they're always like, dude, like I don't know, don't like my music, and the next day, so I'm just trying to be like, and then he'll just always give everybody the example of me. He's like, dude, this dude only listens to himself. So in this journey of obsession, you might not even notice, but I think the attention to detail is where the feelings are hidden, dude.